Okay na to. Let's try this. This is actually just an experimental cooking because I just saw this recipe on Facebook. And you know, I just tried it because it looks easy. Let's taste it. Oh my god. I didn't expect it to be this good. I mean, dili gid kayo kahilig og mga sudan gani nga nice sweet sa panlasa. So I'm actually skeptical at first because corn is sweet, right? Anyway, I just tried it. But you know, the combination of the flavor of the shrimp, the butter, and I put a lot of pepper actually, and the corn just really blended well. Like, oh my god. Oh, no, pero wala ko na-expect. Ano siya kalami kay? Nagsuway-suway ako, guys. Dili mo ka-expert sa cooking. Anyway, lami siya. I would definitely do this again. Oh my god. Pwede na ako mag-asawa. Charot. Bye-bye.